Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your payment method on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on your phone. Now at the top of your screen, tap on your name to open your Apple ID. Next, tap on payment and shipping. You may need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Here you will see your current payment method. To upgrade it, tap add payment method to add a new card or tap an existing card to edit or remove it. Once you add or upgrade your payment method, app will automatically use it for your Crunchyroll. You don't need to change anything inside the app, and that's it. That's how to upgrade your payment method on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.